you planning a trip to the UK and want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Lewis, and after testing a bunch of eSIMs while traveling, today I'm breaking down the top 3 eSIM options for the United Kingdom in 2025. I'll go over the pricing, data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've got discounts and cashback deals linked in the description, so definitely check those out. All right, let's get into it. The eSIM I recommend for the UK is Maya Mobile. Their plans are simple, fast, and work great for short trips. You've got 3 gigabytes for just $7.19, 5 gigabytes for $8.99, or 10 gigabytes for $13.49, all valid for 10 days. If you need more, you can grab 20 gigabytes for $18.89, 40 gigabytes for $29.69, or go all in with unlimited data for just $26.99. All plans are 5G ready, activate instantly, and there's no app to deal with. Just pay and connect. It's that easy. Now, if you want more flexibility in how long your plans last, Airalo is a solid second choice. They offer a wide variety of options like 1 gigabyte for $5 for 7 days, or 2 gigabytes for $7.50 with a 15-day validity. If you're staying longer, you can go with 3 gigabytes for $10, 5 gigabytes for $15, or 10 gigabytes for $22.50. And for heavy users, there's also 20 gigabytes for $36. The Airalo app makes it super easy to manage everything. Once you buy, you get a QR code instantly, and you could even top up your plan from inside the app. If you've already tried Airalo and Maya Mobile and found their options didn't meet your needs, then I'd recommend MobiMatter. Their regional deals are pretty interesting. For example, you can get 15 gigabytes for just $12.99 or 30 gigabytes for $22.99 valid for 30 days. There's even a 50 gigabyte plan for just $34.99. These work well if you're traveling across Europe too, but if you're staying in the UK, Maya and Airalo still come out on top for ease, pricing, and variety. Now, let me explain how to get started and claim your bonuses. If you go with Maya Mobile, just click the link in the description. On their homepage, type UK and find the plan that fits you. The 10% discount will automatically apply at checkout. You'll get a QR code right away. Scan it and you're online in minutes. For Airalo, same thing. Use my link, search for United Kingdom, and the 10% off will be applied automatically. And if you decide to go with MobiMatter, use the third link in the description to get up to 50% cashback on your first purchase. So, which one should you go with? For short trips and great speeds, Maya is the best pick, especially with unlimited data under $27. But if you want more duration or app control, Airalo is a great choice. And for regional travels or big data needs, MobiMatter can give you some crazy value. All the links are in the description with discounts and bonuses already included. Pick what works best for you, follow the steps, and you'll be connected in the UK in just a few minutes. No roaming fees, no SIM card swaps, no stress. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.